2:56, one of the lights goes out. At 2:57, another light goes off, and the medical car is positioned behind the field, not on the track as yet. At 2:58, another light goes out. 2:59, another light goes out. That leaves one. And then at 2:59 and 45 seconds, this message flashes up on the board, and from that moment on, no one is allowed to touch any of the 20 cars. When the last light goes out at 3 p.m, all the cars head off on that formation lap, and that's when the remaining marshals and crew quickly make their way off the track. All 20 cars are then off on their formation lap, which takes 3 to 4 minutes. While they're off on that lap, security is locking down these big gates along pit lane, and marshals and the starter are making sure that the grid is perfectly clean. The cars then return and head to their individual starting boxes, and when the driver's stopped in the correct position, their marshal, who's positioned now behind the catch fence, presses the green button on their remote, and a green light illuminates on the display board. It also displays on Rebecca's screen. When the field's set and the medical car's in position at the rear of the grid, a marshal walks from one side of the track towards pit lane waving a green flag. The starter then presses the start button. That causes these lights to turn on one after the other until all 5 are on. The starter does a final visual check of the field and the screen, and then presses the start button. All 5 lights go off and the field roars away.